folks, Matt Cavill, back onto the VX here. She's been apart for a while. As you've seen in the last video at Heathcote, we fried the transmission. Transmission's rebuilt. I've got it sitting in there and I've been installing the shifter, which I'll show you that soon. What went wrong with the gearbox? Let's see that crack. We cracked that drum. And then we actually spun that sprag backwards, flipped it. So it was actually... Check this out. Old sprag. Doesn't sound good. New sprag. Quiet. But look. Notice the direction. Operating in the wrong direction, and the clutches are all fairly burnt. That's about it. Other than that, it was in pretty reasonably good shape. So, got a couple of new drums in it. That's the end of another drum. You can see that one's, and it was a bit warped. So yeah, a couple of new drums in it, like clutch drums, all new clutches, and done the dual feed mod to the direct clutch. So the direct clutch normally only gets the pressure to half the drum, and they've got a seal in between. You remove the seal and do a modification to the case, which gets fluid flowing to both sides of the drum to give maximum clamping force. So I've done that modification. So she's sitting up in there now. We got the new shifter cable. So I'll get into it, get it in there, get this thing driving today. Rightio, so the trans is in. It's been in for about a week now. I have done a little bit of driving, got an RTS catch can there. We've got the shifter all installed. Also, so far so good, it's working really good. So that catch can bolts onto the front of the pan there. Don't mind that, I sprayed it with brake cleaner because I spilled some oil. And then that runs up to the breather. Right now. Alrighty, so we're 2 or 3 weeks down the track now. The gearbox is in. Done 250 odd Ks on it. It's going really good, shifting really good. Right now I'm doing other work, but here's the shifter. That's not finished yet, but it's in there and it's working. That's a RTS shifter from VPW. Trimmed all that center bit to fit that in there. We'll go out the engine bay. So that's what's going on at the moment. Upgrade for the engine. See if we can get this thing up to 600 plus horsepower. Is the plan with the nitrous that we've got. So I brought this off Marketplace and I've had it wet blasted. Make it look brand new again, and then the throttle body that came with it that's the throttle body. And I had a bit of a Google to see where this throttle body came from, and it's a $90 Temu throttle body, Pro Street development off Temu. But anyway, this is why you don't purposely, it just came with the manifold. But this is why you don't purposely buy this shit. It doesn't go close to, it's a bit hard with one hand, but it doesn't go close to even fitting in there with the O-ring on it. You flick the O-ring off and the IAC still doesn't fit. So look, other than that, it's a flat with a, like the hole with a flap in it. Alright, so fits that manifold, and the colours, like the colour scheme matches. So I'm gonna use it, but I'm going to take it around JMR Engineering and get them to machine this out to match the standard throttle body. So all the gear fits on it. Oh, and the shaft there's a little bit too long, so I have to cut a bit off the shaft to be able to get the TPS on it. Quality from China. But anyway, other than that, it's going to work alright. Not going to fork out $500 for another throttle body when I've got that. And I've got a black one here I could put on it, but all that being blasted and that, I don't think black would look so good. Yeah, thanks for watching. Alright.